running. Today we are going to try and figure out why my boat motor took a dump while I took my family crabbing a couple weekends ago. I'm gonna just dive into it, see what I can come up with. I have my suspicions, but we're gonna figure it out. All right, I get to do this for a while. Oh shoot, that's full. Well, that's about 10 gallons so far. I raise the front of the boat up as far as it'll go. That way anything in that fuel tank will drain to the back of the boat. So the curvature of the hose, I can put it back that way. It'll dip down into the bottom corner of the fuel tank. But I want to go that way. Holy moly, we are full again. Well, there's a lot more fuel in that fuel cell than I thought, and pumping it out, there's a little bit of a leak on the pump, which is getting onto my hand, and it started burning a little bit, so I figured I should probably get to the store and get some disposable gloves to prevent chemical burn. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna head to Wally World. Gonna see if they have any type of fuel treatment that will work on outboards, like some sea foam marine, or I don't know, whatever they might have on hand. If not, I'll just order it along with the filter and everything else I gotta get offline. So all right, I think I need some of these. All right, yeah, I think that'll work. I've done all I can do for now. Got all that is full except for this one. It might have 10 cups in it, but I just have to wait for that fuel filter to show up. I bled the fuel rail. So yeah, just gonna have to wait on Amazon to bring me some more things, and then I'll see what I can do. All right, I gotta get this fuel filter out of here first. You just suppress these red buttons, and then there we go. Okay, now the new one, I don't know if you can see it, but there's an arrow there. It has to go towards the fuel rail. All right, now I gotta get the water separator filter in. It goes right in here. There we go. Let's reconnect that. Now I just need to go get some fuel. All right, the Marine Pro here. I got some fuel. I'm gonna put this in here. Give it a little shake. And then we're gonna put it in the boat. All right, I got my 5 gallons.
We're all hiding in the same spot, and you'll all find them at the same time.
We're gonna get it into the tank.
What is that mean?
All right, there's 5 gallons. All right, flip it on. I can hear the pump run. Turn it off. I'm gonna do this quite a few times because I had drained the fuel rail and all the lines. Alright, I'm gonna have to drain this fuel rail again, I think. It might still have some water contamination. Needs to get pushed through. Shove this towel back in here so I can catch all this fuel. So close. All right, it's running. It is running. I am so excited. So excited. We're gonna get to go boating, crabbing, pull inner tubes, man, duck hunting, go to the lake, want to go try and catch some kokanee. Just endless amount of things we could do here in Oregon. I'm so excited. Got all the water out, new filters, everything. So we are good to go. I'm excited. I want to create more content and just, you know, make videos that people can enjoy and watch, and I want to be able to take the kids out. Maybe my grandkids will see these videos someday, but heel. Gotta get my dog out of the way. Wife and kids are taking off. Ruger, heel. Come on. Look at him. Heel. 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 Good boy. Stay. All right. She's purring. She's purring. All right, guys. That's gonna be it for this video. Like I said, if you want to see the struggles of the boat, go check out the crabbing video I posted 2 weeks ago, and then this last week we went to Detroit Lake, did some trout fish, and didn't have a whole lot of luck, but you can go and see how we were putting around Detroit Lake with just the trolling motor, which it got it done. We made it happen, but I was just waiting on the parts. They showed up and I got her running. So thanks for watching. If you could, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and hopefully we'll catch you on the next one.